Welcome to this technical guide on the Eternal Maximum. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Eternal Max can't hold a charge, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to battery degradation over time, which can lead to frustrating moments when your device just dies unexpectedly. If left unaddressed, this can eventually render your device unusable, so it's best to tackle it sooner rather than later. For this repair, you'll need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a replacement battery specifically for the Eternal Maximum. To begin, ensure your device is powered off to avoid any electrical damage. Use the suction cup to gently lift the screen away from the casing, being careful not to apply too much force as this could crack the display. Next, locate the screws around the device that secure the battery cover. These are usually small Phillips screws. Carefully remove them and keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. You may need to disconnect a few cables that are attached. Be cautious here, as pulling too hard can damage nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the same cables you previously disconnected. Ensure it's seated properly in its compartment. Once everything is connected, replace the battery cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Apply gentle pressure to close everything up, ensuring there are no gaps. Finally, power on your Eternal Max and check that it's charging correctly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, avoid letting your battery drain completely on a regular basis and try not to expose your device to extreme temperatures. Keeping your software updated can also help optimize battery performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.